How's the training program? Is it like a roller coaster ride? Every day you need to learn something new, everything. What is it?
Yeah, hi Vajrang.
Hi,
Yeah,
Harish.
here I learned a lot of things, how to use database, how to use RE framework, and how to use APIs, and how to deploy robot in entertainment production environment. So those things I learned. I am confident to how to attend, how to face interview, how to answer those questions. Here I learned so many things from you. Your teaching skills are awesome. So I searched the YouTube one of your YouTube channel. So I found it that YouTube your RE framework videos. I learned in those videos watched. After that, I have joined through your organization in our course. Here I'm satisfied with your teaching. So I'm happy with that. Here I learned topics, new things.
Great to know, Harish. Harish, do you see any difference with the way do you write your code before and after joining the programs?
Yeah, yes, Vajrang. I have changed my how to write code,
Mm-hmm.
good practice, how to follow the best standards
Mm-hmm.
by using workflow analyzer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know that thing. What are the best practices we need to use in real time scenarios?
Okay, great. Good to know. So looking forward for taking the mock interview. Go ahead and take the mock interview, and you may get more comments from the team and
Okay,
just correct them. And then you're ready for the interview. You should be going for interviews right away.
okay, Vajra.